Elaine books her flights to Uganda. She sets up her portable camera to share the experience with her audience.
I chose Uganda because at that point, politically, it was safer. I started doing what I tell my clients to do: get yourself ready. Figure out what you need to do, what your vulnerabilities are, what your strengths are, and in that mix, start getting yourself ready for the task at hand. This is not a match made in heaven, but you know what? You're here, and one way or the other, you're going to do it, and you're going to do it raw and honest. To show in real time, what is it like when you're facing a challenge that you've never faced before, and you are giving it your absolute best with what you have in that moment.
I want you to see the weather that we have and the first challenge. Here it is. Look at this.
Her trip has barely begun when the first unexpected challenge arises. An ice storm is due to arrive at the same time as Elaine's flight.
I ended up at the Ottawa airport, and 2 seconds later looked up and the last 4 flights were canceled. I thought, okay, this is where it starts.
With Elaine's flight delayed, there is a risk that she will miss her connecting flight in Uganda.
One of the people you live with is willing to drive you down to Toronto because I was actually leaving. That was my jump off point, was Pearson Airport in Toronto. We got there and overcame that challenge.
She stays at a hotel to wait out the storm. To make matters worse, Elaine's phone and camera equipment begin to malfunction.
My phone is on, suddenly, as though it's possessed, starts speak over. And it was a little bit of a comedy skit, which in some ways, when you're facing a real raw challenge and you're feeling a little insecure because you've never done this before, I knew where I could take the phone within the airport and have somebody have a look at it, and that was my best chance.